Hi there and welcome back. In this video we're going to install WordPress. So I'll go to wordpress.org and download WordPress. So I want to download the zip. I'll click on the blue button. I'm using Internet Download Manager, so I'll let it download the file for me. The download is complete. I will need to extract it to our localhost folder. So this is how to host a file on your localhost using Xampp. You will need to go to the Xampp folder where it was installed. Mine was installed under local disk Xampp. So I will open that, and all the files that you want to view on your browser will be located here. So this is where you will put the files that are being hosted on the local computer. I want to extract WordPress into this folder. So I want to extract this downloaded WordPress zip file into the htdocs folder. So I'll just drag it inside here and give it time to extract. Then we'll come back and go to the browser and install WordPress. So the file has completed extraction. Here it is. You can rename it. I will rename mine to WP for beginners. This is the structure for the WordPress folder. We have the WP admin, then we have the includes file and all the other files right here. The themes and plugins are inside the WP content folder. So all the plugins will be here. Look at the themes. Right now we have 3 themes available in our theme folder. There are times you'll need to install a theme by dragging the folder into the theme folder. To view it on the browser, we'll go to localhost/WP for beginners. If you chose to use the Xampp server, you will go to the www folder on the same location where you installed your Xampp. So we're using Xampp. For Xampp it's htdocs. For Xampp it will be the www folder. Okay, so let's go to our browser and install WordPress. So we'll go to localhost/WP for beginners. If you named yours differently, put that name here. This is the setup. You'll need a database. We've already created a database. You'll need a username. The username is available by default if you didn't change anything after installation. The database password and the database host. So let's go. So our database name, I gave it the name WordPress. If you gave your database a different name, input that name there. For the username, if you didn't change anything after installation, the username will be root. If you didn't add a password, then the password by default is blank. Database host, leave that at localhost. Then the table prefix, I will change mine to WP3. You can change this or not. I recommend and I urge you to change this to something else. Then I will submit. That's it. Run install. If you experience any errors, just see whether the database name was right, the username was right. Those are the 2 important ones. So here you'll give the website a name. Site title for us, WP for beginners. Password. I will use this weak password because this is on my local computer. However, in a real website, I would not be using such a weak password. You can use a stronger password if you want to. Bizanosa @gmail. Privacy allows search engines to index this site. I'm on my local computer, so this doesn't really matter because search engines are not going to access my local computer. However, if you're creating a website that you want to be indexed immediately, you will leave this selected. So I'll just install WordPress. And that's it. So you can choose to log in. Our username was Bizanosa and the password was also Bizanosa. So here is the dashboard. We'll continue from here in the next video. If you've experienced any problems, Google for a solution, because all systems may have different configurations, and that might bring different problems to different people. So if you experience any errors, just go to Google and search for a solution. Okay, this will mark the end of this video. In the next video, we'll take a look at the dashboard overview. We'll look at all of the things that we have here. See you in that video.